Dear students, welcome to my subject ICT. Today's 10th lecture, Cloud and Mobile Technologies. Do you use the cloud? You know everything is cloud. Let's think about YouTube cloud, about Pinterest, about Twitter, about Facebook, about iTunes, iCloud. Yes, it's all our iCloud. Introduction, our lecture. Cloud computing provides as a means by which you can access the applications as utilities over as to create, configure, and customize applications online. With cloud computing, users can access database results via the internet from anywhere for as long as they need without worrying about any maintenance or management of actual resources. Question: what is cloud? The term cloud refers to a network or internet that clouds something when it's present in a remote location. Cloud can provide service over network, on public networks or in private networks, WAN or VPN. WAN it's our 7th lecture, yes? Applications such as email, web conferencing, customer relationship management, CRM all run in cloud. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing refers to manipulating the applications online. It offers online data storage, infrastructure, and application. In other words, cloud computing refers to manipulating, configuring, and accessing the applications online. It offers online data storage, infrastructure, and application. Cloud computing is both combination of software and hardware-based computing resources delivered as a network service. It's our cloud computing architecture. Basic concepts: there are certain services and models working behind the scene making the cloud computing feasible and accessible to end users. Following are the working models for cloud. The first, deployment models and service models. Deployment models the type of access to the define the type of access to the cloud, etc. How the cloud is located. Cloud can have any of the four types of access: public, private, hybrid, and community. Deployment models: it's private, hybrid, community, and own clouds. Public cloud: the public cloud allows systems and services to be easily accessible to the general public. Public cloud may be less secure because of its openness, for example, email. Yes, private cloud. The private cloud allows systems and services to be offers increased security because of its private name. Community cloud. The community cloud allows systems and services to be accessible by groups of organizations. And the hybrid cloud as mixture of public and private cloud. However, the critical activities are performed using private cloud while the non-critical activities are performed using public cloud. Let's continue. The next model is about service models. Service models are the reference models on which the cloud computing is based. This can be categorized into three basic service models as listed below. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Infrastructure as a service, usually built based on usage, usually multi-tenant virtualized environment, can be coupled with managed services for OS and application support. The delivery of technology infrastructure as on EAAS provides access to fundamental resources such as the physical machines, virtual storage. Its EAAS examples is telematic entity communications, platform as a service, provides a runtime environment for application development and deployment tools. Typically, application must be developed with a particular platform in mind. Multi-tenant environments, highly scalable multi-tier architecture. It's about PaaS examples. You know about Amazon, yes, but we haven't delivered services. Software as a service, CaaS, usually multi-tenant environment, and the second highly scalable architecture. Its model always to use software application as a service to end users. SaaS is a software delivery methodology that provides licensed multi-tenant access to software and its function remotely as a web-based service. Its CaaS examples: first, its advantages: lower computer costs, improved performance, reduced software costs, instant software updates, unlimited, increased, universal lattice, easier device independence, collaboration, personability, document access. And the second disadvantage requires a constant internet connection, can be slow, stored data can be lost, stored data may not be secure, does not work well with low speed connections, features might be limited. Cloud storage: create an account username and password, content lives with their accounts in the cloud, log onto any computer with Wi-Fi to find your content. And the next part, mobile cloud computing, мобильное облачное вычисление. Let's start motivation and the solution. In human life, mobile devices, smartphone, tablets become an part of our lives. Dream of information at your fingertips anywhere, anytime. Solution. Yes, it's our short motivation. Sorry, what is mobile cloud computing? In this second part, we call MCC. MCC refers to an infrastructure where both the data storage and the data processing happen outside of the mobile device. Mobile cloud application moves the computing power and the data storage devices and into powerful centralized computing platforms located in clouds, which are then accessed over the wireless connection based on a SIM network client. Mobile cloud computing, cloud computing. Why do we need MCC? Mobile devices face many resource challenges: battery life, storage, bandwidth. Cloud computing offers advantages to users by allowing them to use infrastructure, platforms, and software by cloud providers at low cost. Passion. Sorry. providers mobile users with data storage and processing service in clouds. They need to have a powerful device configuration, CPU, speed, memory capacity, as all resource-intensive computing can be performed in the cloud. It's our architecture in this picture. In the end of our lesson, I will send you all my presentation, and you can see our slide architecture application about uh, mobile commerce, mobile healthcare, mobile learning, mobile planning. It's your advantages under your homework. Multi-tenancy is of integration, dynamic, extending battery lifetime. It's end of my lecture. Bye. See you next time.